This is what happens when you get in the Corvette, bro. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. It has been a long time since we have got a video like this. I ain't gonna lie, I've been going live every day, but this seems a little bit more fitting. A little bit more fitting indeed, man. We finally got our 2020 C8 Corvette back out the shop, man, and this thing has been sitting in the garage for maybe about 2 weeks now, just sitting waiting for you guys to take delivery of it. If you guys didn't know, man, you guys know I've been without this thing since like last October. Somebody had ran into the back of it, and then freaking I just got it fixed and then just got it out the shop recently. So with that being said, I pretty much dang near forgot about the whole car, man. So I was like, you know what? I know one of you guys can pretty much enjoy this thing a little bit more than I can, just because I'm like, you know, I didn't have my fun in it and I got something else coming to the table, man. So with that being said, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win our 2020 C8 Corvette, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy you anything on the website. That'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, you guys know we went on live the other day and said the first 20 people to get the new merch get 25 extra entries. Well, we only got 7 spots left to get those 25 free entries, and then it goes back to single entries. But furthermore, man, this thing has been sitting long enough, and I gotta get this thing cleaned up, man. I only seen this thing cleaned up like literally one time since I got it back, so gotta go take this thing to the car wash. We might even go pull up on Done by D and see what he's got over there in his garage, man. You guys know he's always got something crazy going on. But in the meantime, man, I'm about to pop these tops off because it's humid as heck outside, and we about to hop in this thing and ride, man. Y'all know what time it is. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate y'all tuning in, man. If you guys want the 2020 C8 Corvette, man, it could be yours. Head on over to Everything Regular. You know what time it is, man. Let's get this day started. Alrighty, man. 2020 twin, the big daddy for the big daddy. All right, so y'all know we put 20, these is actually 21s in the front. 21-inch 4 Giottos in the front, 22-inch in the back. So it's got that, I don't know. It's got that front, it's got that nice beefy look, man. Y'all know what time it is when this thing is riding in the freaking, when this thing is riding and sliding, man, it looks like a freaking Ferrari sliding when the lights come on and stuff. At least that's how I be looking in my rear view when they pull up on me. So I can only imagine how I look when I pull up on them, man. Meanwhile, we about to pull this thing out the garage, get this thing fired up. So meanwhile, man, we about to fire this thing up, pull it out the garage, and then go take this thing for a drive, get it cleaned up and whatnot. And cause it's been dirty, man. You know, you guys know it's been quite raining out here, so gotta clean this thing up. Cause if you just look at the wheels and we just look close, you can literally go and look how much of a difference that is already, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. We gonna get this show on the road. If y'all haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get this show on the road, man. All right, first start. Let's hear this thing rumble in the jungle. I'm gonna set y'all up back yonder. Y'all let me know if y'all can go with the flow. That down when we go get this thing washed later on. Usually I will wash it myself, but I really like how they hand wash this thing when they hand wash it, man. It just looks so beautiful. But we about to pull this sucker out and see what it's looking like, man. Alrighty, so we're in the car, pulled up on Done by D, but as you see, Done by D is not here. He's not here, but he got some fly rides outside. Dang, I know that ain't the fans back there. Y'all can hear how much fun I was having. That thing ain't playing, I ain't gonna lie to you. But I guess while we wait, we'll get some nice little rides and slides with y'all with the music off, because once I turn the music on, it be dang near a wrap, I ain't gonna lie. So I guess it'll be the perfect time. We got a few bumps in the road. Let's see, we're gonna get y'all something nice and good. something nice and good, man. I know y'all hear the oohs and the ahs back there, man. I know y'all hear the oohs and the ahs. So enjoy the oohs and the ahs, man. Let's hear what we got. Ooh. Just the way the gears shift, like just oh so crazy. It just feels so amazing, man. Definitely a freaking beast, I ain't gonna lie. Hold on, let me downshift. Let me downshift again. Let me downshift again. Ooh, with the oohs. Ooh. Ooh. I know y'all hear it clapping back there. I know y'all hear that thing, man. It's crazy. It's nothing like riding this car and enjoying it with the tops off. Literally puts a smile on my face every time. No matter what I'm going through. I think it's definitely a beast, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over to everythingregular.com right now, man. Y'all know what time it is. It's time to go up. Yes, sir. Such a freaking beast of a Corvette, man. Such a freaking beast. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Oh look, down by D right there. Oh yeah. Man, this is what happens when you get in a Corvette, bro. When you hop in a Corvette, just be ready to get some tickets or something, man. Golly. Oh. Woo. I swear to you, it's like, bro, can't freaking see it, bro. It's insane. Let's see. To pull up on you, I was like, man, he not even there. Let me go ahead and go to the city or something.
Man, I'm coming to get some motherfucking Starbucks. I said, man, that ain't too right there.
Hey, man.
What's going on?
Did the car look good in front of the popo though?
It look excellent.
Alrighty, man, we just pulled up to Done by D's crib. We got some old school daddies out here. Old school Chevrolets. Well, one old school Chevrolet. I don't know what year this is, but it's sitting on them things. It's sitting on them things, man. I can tell you that much. Then you got the town car for sure. Waiting on the rims, I'm sure. Waiting on the rims, I'm sure. Oh my God. He got horses over here, literally. Horses over here, literally. Okay, so you got the SS Impala over there, Big Daddy, yeah, right? You got the old school 64-ish. 1964-ish. I think it's a 64. I had drove this thing the other day. Actually, it's bagged up, slammed to the ground. Of course, you see, it's called the low one. This one is pretty cool. Digging it. Let me see. Let me check out the insides with the oohs and the ahs. Okay. I know some of y'all know what actual year this is, but y'all see how low it is. My shoulder is like way higher than the car and its tub, so got them big daddies back there, of course. Golly. That thing is huge. Just look at my hand. And it still got more to go. Oh, snaps. Of course, you got the Chevelle Done by D. What's up, man? Got the SS over here. Ooh, with the super thing on there. Somebody said they trying to go fast. Y'all see what's going on, man. What is this a 15 or
17?
17.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Well, ain't this like the last year they made these?
Yep.
Oh yeah. So you got one of the best ones.
Yep.
Got one of the best ones. If y'all don't know, this is like pretty much a Holden, like an Australian like car in a real way. He done threw the freaking ZL1 supercharger on there with the ooze. What else you do to it?
Man, supercharger. Another pump on the back. Cam, double springs.
Oh dang.
Got the new intake.
They should be pushing about what, about 757? Yeah, at least. I'm just eyeballing it on what I see, so I'm sure it may do more. You never know. But got some options over here, man. What is this, Chevelle? You keep a Chevelle over here. QA1 suspension. You can best believe any old school that come over here is gonna leave with like QA1 more or less. More or less. Let me see this Impala thing, man. With the oohs and the eyes on it. Let me see what you got. Okay, sunroof popping. This that Bookamobile. This that all about the Benjamins Impala right here. I can dig this one, man. This is like one of them famous ones. This thing is pretty dope. I can dig it. Oh snap, look at the horse. We got horses in the stable. Oh dang, he wasn't playing. Yeah, I'm more of a not an animal guy, so I'm gonna stay myself over here. But we do got the oohs. You got the Monte Carlo SS, another SS, another SS, another SS, another SS, another SS. C8. Whole lot of fast items over here. I ain't gonna lie to you. Whole lot of fast items. So, what you just now finishing this one up, or what you doing?
Yeah, almost done. 30 more minutes. Put everything back on. Ready for a tune. And we back on the road.
Yeah, I see what's going on, man. It's about to be a movie. About to be a movie. I can't wait to see what this thing sound like. All right, being that I did get a ticket and stuff, man, I was on my way to the car wash when I was in the process of getting a ticket. But now I don't even feel like going anymore. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't even feel like bringing that much attention to myself. Like I said, this car brings so much attention. Everywhere you go, people are gonna look and stare. So be ready to get all the looks you can get, man. I ain't gonna lie. When I'm in my other car, I barely get looked at, if I even do get looked at. With this, you can't help but to look at it, man. So with that being said, it kind of bummed me out, bummed my day out, because now I gotta go deal with this ticket stuff. But I mean, you know, it comes with having a very, very nice car, which is this 2020 C8 Corvette.